subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello and welcome everyone in today's maths class. Now previously what we have seen? We had seen number system, rational numbers, irrational number, formation of it and all. Today we will move further about the decimal expansion of them. So there are three decimal expansions, where first one is terminating decimal expansion. The second kind of decimal expansion is non-terminating repeating. And the third kind of decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion. So one by one we'll see each and every, starting from terminating decimal expansion. So terminating decimal expansion means when you are taking division, when you are getting remainder 0, you will get this kind of decimal expansion because division stops there only. So when the remainder 0, for example, you have taken like 3 by 5. If we are taking division of 3 by 5, whenever you will divide, you will get the remainder 0, right? And it will be 0.6. So this is terminating decimal expansion. Moving forward to the next, non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So in this kind of decimal expansion, as per the name, you see the name non-terminating, matlab remainder is not 0. Here remainder is not 0. What else? Repeating means something is repeated here. So what is repetition? When the remainder is not 0, whenever you will divide, for example 1 by 3. When you will divide this, you will not get remainder 0 and keep on getting 3, like it is 0.333 up to infinite. Division is not terminated here, although you are getting in the question you are getting repetition of 3, single digit 3. You can even write 0.3 bar. So this kind of decimal expansion is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Third is non-terminating, non-repeating. Obviously non-terminating, that means R is not 0. Non-repeating means no repetition in this way. So for example, you will get this kind of 1.3205492 up to infinite. So if you will see, there is no repetition, continuous repetition in like this 0.33333. Suppose if you have 0.18, 18, so on. So they are non-terminating repeating, but here no repetition and remainder is also not 0. So this is non-terminating, non-repeating expansion. Now how these expansions are related to rational numbers and irrational numbers. So if the number is rational, you will be having either terminating decimal expansion for rational number, or you can have non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Remember, very important, remember again, if the number is rational, then you can have either terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, and vice versa also. If you have any number having terminating decimal expansion, that it will be rational number, that also you can write. Now what else is left about irrational number? So when the number is irrational, it must have non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion and vice versa also. If you have asked to write down some decimal expansion which are non-terminating, non-repeating, then you can write any this kind. Or if they are asking to write irrational numbers, so you can write this also. You write any non-terminating, non-repeating expansion would be irrational only. So that's it for today. Today we have seen some of the decimal expansion, kinds of decimal expansion, and next time we'll move further. Thank you.